today we're going to demonstrate on how to transfer water with using a straw. But first, let us introduce ourselves. Good day, everyone. My name is Cyrus Valiano, the demonstrator number 1.
And I am Avalus James, the demonstrator number 2.
And I am Torbisto Donalyn, the demonstrator number 3.
So while Donna and James are preparing for your materials, I'm going to explain to you all how we set up our experiment. We're going to show you a whole trick on how to transfer water with using a straw. For setup A, we prepared a glass with red water-colored and an empty glass. So same as that set B. So Donna and James are gonna start that.
So before our demonstration, I would like you to ask if asa jud ang maka-transfer ang tabunan ang top of the straw or ang dili tabunan? Raise your hand. Tabunan.
The other answer.
Adili. Tabunan. Okay. So let's find out. So this is the setup A and the setup B. So ang setup A kay ang tabunan ang babaw, ang top of the straw. So tanawan niyo kung na-transfer ba siya.
Because nothing is stopping the air from getting inside the straw.
Again, kita mo? So, the simple explanation of this, when you put your finger up of the top of the straw, you trap the water inside. This is causing because the air pressure outside is stronger than the air pressure outside. That's why the air pressure outside is stronger than the air pressure sa inside the straw. That's why ang water kay ma-trap siya sa sud. And if we lift up our finger, that causes the water to flow out because the air pressure inside will equal again. So in Bisaya, so kung atong bot nga tong finger ibutan nato tong finger sa babaw sa straw kay mukha siya mo ang water kay mo stuck siya sa inside. That's why mo call siya og kanang diri awan stuck ang water. So when we transfer man atong ipaon atong kamot kay ang water kay mo flow out because ang air pressure outside og ang inside kay mo equal na siya. That's why the water inside mo flow out siya if ato i-release ato ang kamot. So mao na ang setup A.
So here's the setup B without covering the top of the straw. So when I dip the straw inside the water, when I lift it out, the water immediately falls out. Why? Because nothing is stopping the air from getting inside the straw, so the air pressure around us pushes down right away so it can stay inside. So in short, if no finger on top of the straw, the water falls out, the air gets in.
That's right. Science is very amazing. Even though with a simple materials, we can create a simple experiment too.
So kanang nami kanang babuhaton magpili may estudyante nga estudyante nga mo para ni mo try. So would you pala mga duha lang. Dali.
Ayaw.
Ato ra ikaw na siya ana ra siya mo ibere mo transfer mo pa.
Transfer the rin. Very good.
No. So ara na siya. So always remember, even in a small thing, science is everywhere, Jude. Even in a straw. So
That's it.
Thank you.
and that will be all.